This video is a demonstration of the AWS HealthImaging support currently implemented in the Laurel Bridge Compass product. On the upper right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a utility that we'll use to generate a study for patient John Doe. It contains 2 series and 2 instances per series, so in total the study contains 4 instances for this demonstration. When we click Generate, the utility issues a CStore request to Compass for each instance, and then based on its configured routing rules, Compass interacts with AWS HealthImaging to import the study. As we can see in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, Compass successfully imported the study. Now, let's query the AWS HealthImaging platform. By using Compass, we're able to field hierarchical, relational, patient-rooted, and study-rooted query retrieve requests to AWS HealthImaging. And we're able to do so at the patient, study, and series levels. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll issue patient-rooted hierarchical requests to Compass. In the lower left-hand side of the screen, let's use the utility to query for patient John Doe. We'll provide his patient ID and some return tags, and we'll issue the query to Compass. The query is successful. Compass interacts with AWS HealthImaging and returns query responses in a manner anticipated by the DICOM SCU. You'll notice that John Doe now exists in AWS HealthImaging. Let's continue onwards with an additional query. This time, let's query for all of John Doe's studies. We'll include study instance UID in our query request, and we'll query at the study level. We see a single query response. This indicates that John Doe has 1 study in AWS HealthImaging. Let's retrieve that study. We'll provide John Doe's patient ID, the UID of the study that we'd like to retrieve, and we'll issue the move request to Compass. Compass retrieves the study from AWS HealthImaging, and based on its configured routing rules, moves the study to the move destination that can be seen in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. John Doe's entire study was retrieved based on our move request. The image count of 4 corresponds to the 4 instances that were ingested into AWS HealthImaging initially as part of this demonstration. We've seen storage, query, and retrieval of a study from the AWS HealthImaging platform. That concludes this brief demonstration.